How do you create or add labels in Gmail? Labels are like tags. They help you to categorize information or other emails in separate categories. So, how do we create these labels? If you come to your extreme left, you find where it says labels. You just click create label, and then you can name that label, say work, and then say create. You can also create another label and say personal. There is also a function that you can use called nest under. So you can create certain labels that will fall under another label. For example, let's say you have receipts at work. You can put them under work and then create. You can also say I have invoices that I receive, and these are under the work label. So you just say create. So now you have several labels under work, and personal is just a single label. So how then do you assign emails to different labels? So what you do is you tick on an email and you go to the top where there are three dots. You click on those three dots and then say label as. In this case, I would like to label this email as an invoice. So when I click apply, it will be under work invoices. I can also take this one and put it under personal by just going label as personal. So the other thing about labels is that you can actually put several labels on a particular email. For example, say this one, we want to label it as personal, right? You see, it's now personal, work, and invoices. So because labels are tags, they can be added to the same email several times. So after labeling this, how is it going to help me? If you go and click on personal, it will only bring out all those emails that are under the personal label. If you then click on invoices, it will only give you all those emails that are under invoices. So you can easily search for certain things by just clicking the label that is attached to that email. So this is how you create and make use of labels in Gmail.